Hello, Advisorfix Nation. Hey, it's Jeremy O'Neill. We are live at Vision 2019, kicking off the show, and I was able to get one of my really good friends, one of an industry expert here for service advisors out there, Jill Trotta with RepairPal. Jill, how are you?
I'm great. This is like Christmas. This is like Christmas for the industry being here at Vision.
I call it the Super Bowl of training.
Yeah.
This is a huge event. My techs are stoked to be here.
Yeah.
We shut the shop down and brought them here this year, so really cool. So, hey, I just wanted to ask you a couple quick questions.
Sure.
Tomorrow I'm teaching lead conversion master of the game, and as we know, incoming phone calls are very important. You got to convert the lead, and now we're seeing digital leads. But the question I have for you is, you've got some data on customers and how often they're going to price shop us. So how often are auto repair consumers checking price?
Well, the research that we do, and we do it frequently, is about 80% of the people that ring your phone are checking the price of that auto repair.
80%?
80%.
So 8 out of every 10 customers are going to check pricing.
And they're probably looking at it while they're talking to you.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Now, there's another stat too, because I know we did the webinar for Bosch, and we had a really cool slide that shows kind of when they're checking pricing. So I think it's about, 40, 50% or before. What startled me was how many people check after the repair is authorized.
Yeah, about 40% of them are checking it after they've authorized. And a large percent of that is after they've already left your shop, which puts you in danger.
Well, if that's the case and you feel that I overcharged you, my prices weren't fair, what happens?
Well, they're probably going to tell all their friends that you have overcharged them. Now, you may or may not, I don't think the industry has as much dishonesty baked into it as people think it does.
Okay.
I think a lot of it is just miscommunications between the shop and consumers. So if you're not on top of it and you don't know what pricing that they're looking at, the chances that you're going to be on the same page with them are pretty low. And when they leave, they may or may not call you after they've left your shop.
That's true. So you're going to lose market share.
You're going to lose market share. They're going to blast you on social media. They're going to leave you a bad Yelp review. They're going to tell all their friends when you could be perfectly in the right, and it just wasn't, the benefit and value wasn't properly explained before they left. Because I'm all about digital communication and all that, but if it's not done properly, they're going to be left with...
One of the things I'm really focused on is the commodity, right? So if this is a water pump, this is a commodity. You can buy these online, you can get them everywhere. So we're more sensitive at our shop with the part pricing, and what I love about RepairPal's fair pricing model is the word fair.
Yeah.
And it's fair for both the consumer and for the shop. I mean, I've checked the pricing, the estimator's completely accurate. I mean, it's really good. And you guys do a great job backing it up too.
Yeah,
Make sure that you're researching it. So for service advisors out there, if you're not transparent with your pricing, I encourage you to start to study consumers, because if you leave and you feel that we overcharged you, as a consumer, they feel ripped off, don't they?
They do feel ripped off. And then that just perpetuates all of the stereotypes and all of the negativity that is on the industry, when it could just be that maybe the car had rust and maybe that wasn't explained. Maybe there was additional work and it wasn't broken out in a way that is really easy for consumers to find.
Absolutely. And the other thing, if you're not a RepairPal shop, you can check out becoming a RepairPal certified shop at repairpal.com.
/shops.
There we go. Nice.
Right on.
Nice little segue there. All right. Well, let's sign off. We got to get to work because they're going to open the doors and the herd of people are going to come in. So,
Yay.
Jill, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was awesome. This is Jeremy with Advisorfix, segment 1 of Live from the Vision Trade Show floor. We'll see you guys later.